If you're looking to replace your dash pad with the most authentic reproduction, thankfully we have a high quality reproduction for you. We've been the leader in the industry for dash pads for over 20 plus years. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 GTO, Tempest, and LeMans dash pads. These are available with cars equipped with or without air conditioning. They are available in factory correct colors to match your interior. Our dash pads are manufactured with a superior quality tough injection molded core wrapped with the correct Madrid grain and high quality ABS vinyl. The tough plastic core ensures an exact, consistent fit every time, unlike competitor versions that cut corners using cheap fiberglass cores. Fiberglass is cheaper to produce and is often inconsistent, so by nature it will vary in fitment and quality. You won't find anything else this close to the factory original. In addition, the dash pads feature the correctly located mounting studs and original style mounting hardware, so these can line up exactly where they need to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.